Hey, hello everybody, and welcome back to part 4 of this series of restoring the 2004 Chevrolet 2500. So, sorry, in the last video it just kind of cut off where my father-in-law was welding. I didn't realize the battery had died. I guess with noise going on in here, I didn't hear the thing shut down, because I actually tried to do like an outro of the video and didn't even realize that the thing wasn't even on. So, but anyway, besides that, little recap on what's going on so far up to this point, because that's almost 2 weeks ago. I got the fuel tank back in the truck, and I had brought both bids of the truck in here, and we've in the process of taking the bad out of the good bid and the good out of the bad bid and making one bid, because the tree had fell on my good bid that I had purchased probably over 2 years ago to put onto this truck, and just never got around to it. So anyway, I'm just going to play a little catch up here. There is a good bit of stuff that's happened in between them times that I did not film, coming home from work and coming straight in here and helping my father-in-law. So there's quite a few things that happened that didn't get captured on film. As I don't know if the camera will pick it up right now, but I'll bring you with me here in a minute. Some of the little recaps that has happened. I have needle scaled a good bit of the frame. So as I was saying, I have needle scaled some of the frame down. I did use some paint on there, I think it showed. Don't remember exactly where I left off from the last one other than the welding. But anyway, again, the fuel tank's back in it. Yeah, the thing's operational, movable, and so on and so forth. But here's the big things that's happened. I did take the running boards off. They're sitting over here. Don't know if they're going back on or not, even though I do believe they are what's pretty much saved that inner rocker, because the outer rockers, anything's bad on this side here as far as, you know, real rust. Of course, cab corners on both sides, so I'll show you here. This inner rocker here, or outer rocker, I'm saying, ain't all that bad, but it does have some bubbles here. I think I've mentioned this already, so I do apologize on repeating myself. I did go ahead and opt to put on the old bumper. Don't remember if I mentioned that or not. I am in the process of going to go to salvage yard to see if I can cut one of them off for the electrical for the trailer hitch, because that one's shot, and at this point I ain't found an aftermarket that will go right on there like that. So here's the big thing. I did have both bids in here. I just got the other one out here the other night, and like I said, I didn't film none of that. So what we're doing here is we cut this front portion of my bed off. It was in really good shape yet. And this part of this bed is what was hit with the tree. The tree had fell on it. So I'm in the process of working on that. I think sometime this week, father-in-law and his brother is going to come over. They're both pretty good body men, and going to work that over. And they're also going to work on cutting this stuff out, and work on getting them rockers and cab corners going. Don't know if I'll be able to film that or not. They may be here while I'm at work, and they're not savvy on these cameras, but I do have the cab corners and the rocker panels here. Father-in-law did say that was a good bit thinner than the metal that's already there. I was recommended to these and bought them through eBay, I think it was. So that's what I went with. Again, This whole thing here is not a restoration. You know, I'm just trying to get it back together to run it for a few more years. Thing's got 250,000 miles on its gas engine, so it's not going to last forever. And I know that. I'm just trying to get a little bit more life out of it. Hopefully the price of vehicles come down a little bit. I can afford to get a lot newer truck. Did want to show you this real quick too. As first part of this series, you see me back the truck in, and the camera really made that thing look nice. Well, here's what the bed looked like underneath the fender flares. And here's this side that we cut out. But there's what it looked like underneath there when it looked like it was a perfect bed. And look even up in there, how bad that is. Just thought I'd share that with you too. Got a good bulkhead that's probably gonna come off there and be on sale on Marketplace if anybody be interested in it. It ain't all busted up, it's in real good shape.
Right there. Only a little bit. Right there, the whole shit. That's all you gotta do. Let me get out of the way. Alright, now where you want me to work at? We work on this bottom. Let me start down here. See it right there? You need a little thin on there. I'll go get, Chris will go get that mud. I don't even need that mud on there. Or cover the fiberglass up. It don't matter, get a little bit too much on it, I take it off. It don't take long at all to take it off. Now you gotta put more right here.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't putting no more here, and I'm gonna spray that. I'm gonna tape it and spray it. Slide the bit right on there, and I'm gonna put the thing on it and flip it right over. I don't think we can lift it up high enough.
Right?
Yeah. Oh, hell, we got it. Piece of cake. Hell, had another person. Put her down. You got it. Put her down. What's wrong with that? See, you had another person, we can flip it, but you need somebody back there. You gotta hold it. Now, do you wanna, which way you wanna flip it now? You wanna...
Go on, flip it, man.
Yeah, take that side up. I'm heavy ripping. Oh, that's big cool. Take that a little bit more, Preston.
Huh?
Take this side up more. That's too much weight.
This
I
side?
can't hold it. Yeah, take this side up. Right there.
No, I can't lift it.
If they ain't tall enough now.
I can't get in there. I can't hold that. That's something better.
I'm doing that side.
Yeah, I don't want to pick that side. I want to drop that on that side.
This
All right.
side right here will pull that side up.
All right.
You want? You know what I mean?
All right. All right. That's something no more to hit the ground on, then it all up. Let's see how fast it all goes. Go for it again. That's it. All right. All right, Mr. We're moving salt buses out. Move salt buses out. In that side up there.
That's going to rest right against the bed. Okay.
Right down a little bit. I don't know what it is. What hole?
It's on the front of the thing here.
Oh.
Well, it ain't touching, is it?
No, go ahead and put yours down, Don.
Mine is down.
Oh.
It's off the ground. It's off the ground.
I can bring it back in.
Now, if I let go of this, it's going to spin towards the front.
Okay, I'm gonna hold
This
it.
way, this way, this way.
Do this.
I'm gonna put a salt truck underneath there. I'm gonna put a salt truck underneath there. Put that sucker over.
You ain't gonna have no bridge, you gotta take it outside of here.
No. I'm gonna put a salt truck on it, we're gonna fall down everybody.
There it is. It's balanced right there. It's not touching the ground.
Now, I'm holding up back here.
I need somebody to put this, I need, what you got to put underneath there, so I can take the weight off. I need to put underneath that, lift this up.
Hold this wrong so it's spin.
Right, you don't have that big up. You got something jacked in?
Yeah, I do.
There.
I do.
Now, what I would've done, I'd put this, that rubber slide there, you put this up, and cut it out and look.
Oh,
I put a rubber down the side, and I went to the front up.
Christian. Christian.
Yeah.
He said he's gonna cut it off, well, right there. Just put a rubber underneath
You
it.
want me to put a little first on this right here?
Yeah, go ahead.
Wait, what you doing,
You're
Arnie?
good, you're good.
Get
Jack
the
it
weight
up.
off, get the weight off the corner.
All right, he takes a little right. I don't know if I feel like that. Go ahead. I need a box. Point in a little bit. In a little. Right there. Jack it up. You're good. Feel good.
Okay, pull that side up, and have them spin roll up.
All right, back. Take it up. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. That's good.
That's it right there.
That's good.
Where's the pads at?
All right, that's good. Yeah, you will right there, John?
I'll go use that.
Give me that pad right there, Johnny.
Huh?
A pad on the seat there.
Here, I got there's two pads here. I just got bottom in a little bit. All right, hit it down with the hammer. I might just hit it down with the hammer. You get that on there and I'll put that other side. Sounds good. I don't know what you're doing, but it sounds good.
I still burn can't put the hole.
Burn a freaking hole in it. Burn a freaking hole in it. You burn a freaking hole in it. Burn a freaking hole in it. You burn a freaking hole in it. You burn a freaking hole in it. You burn a freaking hole in it.
No, There's something in front of it.
This is Johnny, I think. Ain't this yours?
He wasn't one.
He want the blue one?
Isn't that what you said, Johnny?
Holy shit, that won't fit my big head.
Push that on.
I gotta crank that bad boy out to fit my head. I thought Chris could weld that in.
I am. I'm sitting right here doing it.
I thought he said you were gonna get him weld that in, John.
I got to fill this hole in right here. Well, I'm burning.
Yeah, that thing all steamed up. No, I can't see how that's something.
Now there's adjustments inside there on it.
No, it's steamed up.
Well, it's dirty. Huh?
I said dirty. It's dirty. Huh?
What kind of gold plate? See what
Maybe a hot stuff around here.
It burned you?
Yeah, it's cloudy. I got some down there.
Alright, let me have it. Let me play with it a little bit. Where you at? I need a pair of gloves on. Wonder how good I can get welded that there.
Here. Those ones you're wearing right here. Want these?
What?
Those ones you wanted? Or you want the regular?
They're around here. These will work. Oh, don't burn my hands.
Here, you want these? There's glove ones.
Yeah, I might get them in a minute. Yeah, leave them here. I'll use them. I'll use them. Oh, I need a cutter, John. I'm out of cutters. May I have them cutters over. How much to push the button or
Yeah, you
something?
know what, put the thing, they take off from it.
Alright. How much cut off? A quarter inch?
Yeah, just go the whole way back and even. Go even, there you go. Now you probably need a light on this, and I can see.
Oh, yeah, I can't see. Oh, I can see now.
We'll put down this one.
That'll work. I got, hell, I'm off.
Be all right.
I'm off.
We can move it. I'll let you off.
I'm still off, John.
Wow. Take it down a little bit.
I can't see it.
Open your eyes.
I'm trying to. I can't see the damn thing.
Well, lighten up your mask a little bit.
No, it ain't that. I can't see it in the dark.
Let me see. Wait a minute. Let me see something. Hold still, hold still. That's fine.
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah.
You had to get dark. You put it on the light, you can see it, and it gets dark.
Yeah.
Well, I still can't see in that hole. I don't want to weld that.
Well, you think I clamped down now.
You want a flashlight?
I don't know if I got it welded or not.
You didn't take that.
Oh, there it is. I can see it. If that stays there for me. I can see it now.
You can take that clamp down. There you go.
I gotta beat this down right here. I don't weld too. Oh yeah, that looks good. God darn, I'm good. I'm good, John. I'm ready to light where the light is.
I know I couldn't hardly see one other side.
I don't know if I weld it or not. Hell no, I'm way off. I'm way off that sucker.
All right. Just take it down for the well light. Hurry up before you get cool down.
I can't see it. I can't see it.
Before it cool down, then I'll show you where the well light. You got more light than I do. I'll show you what.
I don't don't know, but that guy can weld now. Look at that pretty weld. That's beautiful weld. Shut it off a minute. Oh, ain't that pretty? Ain't that pretty? Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Beautiful weld. Get it right. Gotta get the whole damn first. God darn it.
Hey, you hot. You burning. You on fire.
Oh, my glove's on fire. Oh.
I see you guys don't think smoking. Put them old gloves on.
God darn it, that thing's on fire.
It is on fire. It's still smoking.
You dirty booger. Burn my hand up. Look there where I got off, John. Look how much I got off there. I got a nice bead on it, but I got it off. Not this bead ain't. That bead ain't off. Alright. And water. Alright, hold this right here. I'll weld her.
We gotta turn this on.
Give me my helmet. Which helmet you got? No, I'll try Christians. This is good. Let me have Christians, yeah. It's not cloudy, it's clear. Like it. Oh, yeah, I might have to put it
Okay, here.
I'm drawing that off. I can't let it look like that.
So what you gotta do is right here,
Yeah.
Yeah.
these,
Yeah.
Yep.
Holes. Yeah.
probably have to push
You got the
it.
cutters? Is it pushed
Yeah.
down? Wait a minute. Gotta make sure it's pushed down. Need
Yeah.
going down?
Yeah, and there's a little, and this right here needs done too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to push down for those three.
Is it close enough?
No, it needs pushed down.
Okay, here.
All right.
Your whole light, I'll push it down.
Okay. I want. He got a camera on. He said. I push it down, John. Oh, I see it. It's got. Yeah, but that ain't. That's that piece sticking up.
Did it help that?
Welder, Kristen. You can't do it. That piece sticking way up. You get used to it. You like that. Just keep going round circles.
Hold a little closer. Hold a little closer.
Oh.
Hold a little closer.
Yeah.
All right, go down to the next one. One down, right there. Yeah.
Okay.
Burn her in there. Burn that hole over the stick. He probably got a calmer nerve than I got.
Yeah. Now the first thing you did, it came over through.
No. Yeah, he got well the first one, Kristen.
Get
In the
back.
back side? No, yeah, that, no, back in there. No, you're right, right up there.
Right
Right there in the back there. There's a hole in the back. Yeah, can you see it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you're doing a good job. That sounds good. Gotta wiggle around like you do stick welder. You're doing a hell of a good job.
Get the bottom one there.
No, don't push the bottom down because
Oh, you
that's
won't-
setting on top of that. See, that liner's about right.
Oh, okay, just,
Yeah, just weld in there. Now you can't push it down none. Not that you can't.
Now the first one, you got to roll in.
He's got a sturdier nerve than I got. I ain't drinking enough beer. Did it weld up in? Did it blister inside there?
Yeah. Looks like it did. I got a little bit of, well, I burned through right there a little bit.
That plate's higher than the other one because it's sitting on top of the bed. Can't push that down like the other side. Knock yourself out. You got all that welder around there. That's how you got to hold.
Should I go away from me or to me? Like coming across this?
It don't matter with MIG welder. You can go any way. You can go that way, or out this way, or that way. It don't matter with MIG welder.
How, I used to burn a hole in it, electric. You know what I do? I take it and.
Yeah, that's why I told you guys to keep make the circle or back and forth like this.
Oh, go
But
back and forth like that.
yeah, or go around circle like that. Weld both sides like I did. That's beautiful weld there. If I could just weld it like that.
Can you see?
Yeah, I'm good.
Welder in, Chris. He's doing a good job. I can hear it. He's doing an awesome good job. Man, that's impossible. Huh?
I'll take it back.
They better also just sand that glue down, take it off. That's all I'm like. Just sand it down a little bit, take it off. Yeah. Yeah, just take sandpaper and wipe it off, paint it off.
Yeah.
That way if it's black, that's way you can't tell the difference.
All right.
Alright, so here's a little bit of an update. Let me get a light so you can see. We worked down here all day, Thursday, on this truck. Sorry for the jerkiness here. And bid was the main focus. So you can see there where previous people had this thing cut out where they had a gooseneck or whatever. So this part of the cross member was missing. So I went out and took a piece off my old bed. I found a section that was good enough there and solid enough, so we did weld that in. Got it pretty much doctored up, so we're pretty much done with the bed. So main focus today is going to be on these cab quarters and rockers, and I'm getting ready to start by taking up the trim and take some of the weather stripping off. So hopefully we can get this rocker panel and all on. Sorry, I kind of got my camera all over the place. Like I said, so anyway, stay tuned, and hopefully get a little more coverage here for you.